Put mothballs in the fabric softener, and you'll thank me. To start our tip today, here we have naphthalene, and with the package closed, I will put the cloth this way, and with the aid of a hammer, we will knock until it crushes the naphthalene completely. Make this mixture in your home. I'm sure you will be surprised by the result. Once we get to this point, we can see that naphthalene has turned to dust. Then we will put in another container, and also add a liter of hot water. Ideally mix well as soon as you add a new ingredient. After mixed, we will need to add alcohol vinegar. I will put 150 milliliters and then mix again. My visitors always ask me what my secret of, why my bathroom is so smelly and my floor so clean. We will also need 50 milliliters of fabric softener. The brand can also be your preference. You can use the lid itself as a meter, like I'm doing here, and mix everything again. Now to reinforce at the time of cleaning. Let's put 3 tablespoons of detergent. The brand can be of your preference. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to George and Paul. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. And to finish our homemade tip today, we will need another liter of water and mix everything well again until all the ingredients are mixed. With water after all mixed, we will need an empty bottle, facilitating at the time of application and also in storage. I'm using a funnel not to waste the product. Just this amount is more than enough to use for at least a month. After our mixture is in the bottle, it will look like this, and we will close here. I have already made a small hole in the lid to facilitate the application. This mixture is perfect for floor cleaning, serving even the outside area of your home, and only if necessary. Use a broom to scrub, and to finish. Only we must remove the excess product, and it is ready. The best thing is that this mixture works perfectly for a thorough cleaning of the bathroom. I'm glad you've watched so far. See you in the next video. Bye.